Hi, I'm Alison Beer of alisonbeer.com, and today we are going to be looking at the vignette effect in black and white cartooning. So what is the vignette effect? You can see up in the top right hand corner there's a kind of a white patch with darkness all around it, and this is a term which comes from photography where you have all the light, the paleness in the center of the frame, and then it gets progressively darker and darker as you get to the edge of the frame. And the effect of the vignette effect is basically to focus all the attention in the lightest, brightest spot. Let's take a look at a quick example. So here I'm just drawing in a frame and filling in a rule of thirds grid so that I can position my character. And here she comes down in the corner. You just see kind of head and shoulders, and she's pointing away to the right. So now what I'm wanting to do is create a point of focus in the center of the frame. I want to make it very clear to my viewer where I want them to look. And what I'm going to do is use the vignette effect to darken the scenery kind of all around and force the focus to where I want it. So if you imagine I'm wanting them to kind of look at where that circle is, I'm putting in the floor lines and now the wall lines to create a room around her. And then I go in with some texture and just darken the walls on each side to create a focus in that far end of the room. Here I am now putting in a few grid lines to show the perspective of the floor. And you can see that there's the palest area is where that circle is and the far end of the room. So let's take a look at another example, which is much simpler. We should probably have started here. Again, grid lines and putting in a character. And after a little bit of fiddling around, I get her to look the way I want her to. And now I'm just going to show you very roughly with shading, again, the vignette effect. So if I literally just want to have the focus on her, effectively what I'm wanting to do is black out the area around her so that she almost kind of has this glow of light around her and we just stare at her. So this is what I call the vignette effect, and it's very, very effective when you're using just black and white and you don't have any other tools at your disposal. You're not using any color, you're not using anything specific, just texture, black and white, pencil or ink or digital ink. Remember that the lightest, brightest spot on your screen is what will get your viewer's attention. So that's the vignette effect. Did you like this video? If you did, please give it a thumbs up here on YouTube. And if you'd like even more tips and things that I only share on email, head on over to my website, alisonbeer.com, and sign up there for email updates. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.